Hello, this is Boyd McLean with Notes Create Cash Flow. What I want to talk to you about today is getting out and furthering your education. I don't care if it's in notes, you're a plumber, you're a doctor, you're head of a large corporation. You have to stay abreast of changes in the world and in your field. I was just reading the other day that there's a computer show on in Las Vegas, and companies are coming to the show showing different items that they're making to hope that they'll be used in the future. Well, what are you doing for your business for the future? Are you staying abreast of changes? I like to get out and find out what's going on in the note field. Next week, I'm going away for several days to rub shoulders with people that have been more successful than I have, who are multimillionaires, who are in the note business, and I want to learn from them. And some of them are teaching courses that I want to know more about. What's going on in the industry? What are the new government regulations? In January of this year, 2020, a lot of new government regulations went into effect, both nationally and on a state level. So you need to know those things, especially in this business. If you're not aware of changes, like for instance in Georgia now, if you're going to buy a first lien note, non-performing, you have to be licensed. If you start trading in notes in Georgia now and you don't have a license, you could be heavily fined. These are the things you only know by trading ideas and going to conventions and places like that where you meet people and you go to seminars. So I urge you, whatever industry you're in, stay abreast of it. Read articles on your industry so that you can see what the changes are and the proposed legislation in different areas, so that you don't make mistakes and you cross over the line when you shouldn't because you didn't know. Ignorance is no excuse. So I urge you to continue on, further your education. So many people, they get out of high school or grade school or college, and they never pick up a book again. They never try to further themselves. They just go home at the end of the day, get a beer and watch TV. But they leave their mind void, and a mind that's left void will turn negative. So get out there, stay abreast of your field, learn, and you will earn at the same time. Thank you, and make it a nice day. Hello, this is Boyd McLean again. I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of information here that causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put up a video, hit the subscribe button, then turn on notification. Check out all the videos, and we will notify you when we put a new one up. Thank you, and make it a nice day.